Students, how are you all? I hope you must be fine at home. Students, in the previous video we had discussed about the mean, median, mode and range. We all know that. Now in this video, let's learn about the chance and probability. Do you know about the probability? You always hear the name of chance. Sir, it can be, it cannot be, it may be, it may not be. You can say always. So sir, chance is what? When you see any event, after seeing the event, then how many types of questions are running in your mind? That is chance. Suppose, for example, you have a coin. Coin have two sides. First one is head, second one is tail. When you toss it, you know that it can be your head or it can be your tail. Only two chance can become. So this is the chance. And what is the probability? If I said to you, please tell me the probability to get only head. So you know that after toss the coin, the chances of head is only one. Chances of tail is only one. But the whole chances after toss the coin is 2. So chances of head is 1. Then probability to get head, that is 1/2. So student, let's take some practical, that is topic is chance and probability. Experimental probability and theoretical probability, these are two kind of probability. Experimental probability is the found by the repeating an experiments and observing the outcomes. Probability means number of time events occur and total numbers of try. Suppose a coin tossed 10 times, a head is recorded 7 times and tail is recorded 3 times. Then for the probability to recorded head is 7/10. Number of time of event occurs, 7 times head occurs and total occurring is 10 times. So that is probability for head is 7/10. Now theoretical probability was same. So student, let's take some practical example of chance and probability. Then you will understand the actual things about the chance and probability. Let's take student. Let's take a practical example of chance and probability. If a dice is thrown, then all the events are possible. If the dice is thrown, then events are possible is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So n of s will be 6. But we want only prime number. Find the probability to get only prime number. So A is for only prime number 2, 3, 5. Then 2, 3, 5 are the prime number. So n of A is equal to 3. So the probability to get only prime number, that is probability of event A, is equal to n of A upon P of n of S is equal to 3/6, that is 1/2. So this was the question. Let's take one more question of, if you toss a coin, then chances is only head and tail. Then n of S will be 2. Find the probability to get only tail. Then A event is to get only tail. So n of A is equal to 1. So probability P of A to get only tail n of A upon n of S, that is 1/2. So student, this was the two example of chance and probability. Take some problems from the textbook and try it at your home, and we will see in the next video with the next topic. Thank you very much. Bye bye.